What's going on, gang? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, guys, we're killing everything from the market. You know what I'm saying? We're killing GBPUSD, we're killing AUD, XAU, AUD. This is gold. You know what I'm saying? Like gold, we're killing it so much, and we're killing GBPUSD so much. But so far, guys, I'm gonna take profit from some pairs. This one right here, I'm gonna take the profit as well. You know what I'm saying? And then after this, guys, I'm gonna show you how I was able to kill all this market. I'll show you guys the reason why I took these trades. You know what I'm saying? Let me just first take the profit. You know what I'm saying? And all the trade that you see, guys, I took them with my VIP group. You know what I'm saying? So don't be left behind. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you join our free Telegram group, and let's make this money easy. Yo, look at the gold, guys. Look, XAUSD, guys, it's getting killed so bad. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna take my profit from GBPUSD, because this is enough for me. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this is enough for me. GBPUSD, I'm gonna take my profit as well. You know what I'm saying? And after that, guys, I'm going to show you the reason why I took these trades. And as you can see here, guys, TP1, it's hitting already. You know what I'm saying? TP1, you can see here. Yeah, this is gold. TP1, we just hit the TP1 right now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, make sure, guys, make sure you join, guys, the free Telegram group. You know what I'm saying? Because I did share this this entry in a free Telegram group. I did give you guys the setup. You know what I'm saying? If you're in a free Telegram group, I hope you saw that. I did give you guys the setup. I hope you saw that. So let's close the profit from GPUSD as well. You know what I'm saying? Guys, this is, this is so beautiful, man. Never be broke no more. Like, for real. Shit. Damn, man, this was crazy, dog. Hey, this was crazy. And I'm gonna take the profit from everything. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take the profit from everything, because I don't want my profit to become loss. You know what I'm saying? I don't want my profit to become the loss. Yeah, man. What's happening? You see what is happening? This is the reason why, guys, I've been taking my profit. This is the reason why I've been taking my profit. So, guys, I want to jump to the VIP group. I want to tell them to take the profit. Like, for real. I want to tell them to take the profit first before anything else. Let me jump to the... Let me tell them to take the profit. Please make sure. Sure. Please make sure the profit please make sure the profit is protected. Please make sure the profit is protected. Yes, let's go. So I hope, so as you can see, guys, this is the signal which I shared to the VIP group. And so I give them TP1 and TP2, but TP1 already hit. You know what I'm saying? TP1 done. Yes. Gold. TP1 done. Yes, sir. So gold, TP1 done, guys. TP1 done from gold. You know what I'm saying? As you can see here, this was my first take profit right here. But it didn't hit the take profit, but I'm sure still gonna come back to the point, you know what I'm saying, so that I can hit hit us out, you know, say otherwise I'm gonna take the profit manual, you know, because yeah, it did hit the TP1, you know, say it did hit the TP1. So guys, if you didn't know how I trade, this is how I trade, you know, say as you can see, I already take my profits, you know, say everything now is protected, you know, say I already take my profit. Now I'm gonna swing these three of them, you know, say these three, if they're gonna hit, you know, but I'm gonna protect my profit, you know, say, which means this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna switch on 5 minutes, you feel what I'm saying, and then I'm gonna shift my stop loss inside to the profit, something like this. You see what I'm gonna do? This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna shift my stop loss inside to the profit. So anytime the market will feel like wanna move forward, you know, say straight to the profit, it's gonna keep on giving me profit. If the market is gonna decide like, yo, you wanna come back, you know, on me, it's all right, it's gonna hit me out, but I do not close everything from the market, you know. Say I always make sure I have something which is landing for me. So yeah, this is how I do it, guys, as you can see. But some, you know, some pairs, they already hit the profit, because when I take the position, that's why I always use two main positions. I took like 6 positions. So when the market hit the profit, I mean, when the market, you know, it's about to hit the profit, like when the market hit the TP1, I take my first take profit with the three, I mean, with the 3 positions, and the second 3 positions, they're gonna be landing for me in the market, you know. I say, so that's how I do it, and I hope is the best way you can do it as well, if what I'm saying. So yeah, so guys, you know, you can see that the market is trying to give us the pullback. After pullback, then it's gonna move forward, you feel what I'm saying. So that's how we made it, guys. That's how we made it. And you know, I say, so right now I'm gonna go back to the market and see if I'll be able to find another position for the day, you know. I say, but this is enough for me, you know. I say, I already make enough money, you feel what I'm saying. But you know, we have to make money, bro, in order to survive, you feel what I'm saying. So I hope now you understand how I take my trade, how I do it, you feel what I'm saying. So now let's go back to the grind, baby. Make sure you join the free Telegram group and join the free the VIP group. You know, I say, let's do this together. Feel me? Let's win together, man. Peace out, guys. I'm sure you learned a lot on how I took this trade. If you want more update for the signals like this, I will be sharing the setups in the free Telegram group. Make sure you join. The link is on description below. And make sure you like the video and subscribe, so that you can give me more motivation to do more for you. Remember, guys, I don't sell no strategies to my channel. Every strategy is free. Make sure you watch my last videos and learn how I use my strategy.